24 simulcast busy. We're getting a call of shots fired. Belmont in California. Belmont in California. The caller heard 7-8, nothing further.
99. We'll go with them.
10-4. It's also coming in at 3209 Elston in the alley. Alright, we got multiple calls still coming in. I guess it's over by Michelle's ballroom. Now coming in as a person shot. I think somebody might be shot. It's coming in Belmont in California with details to follow.
1760.
60.
I'm bringing my guys back from Zone 11. I'm in the district heading that way.
Okay, 10-4.
1761 David, we're on the way, coming from Ways.
10-4.
23, showing the ball.
23, 10-4. Alright, looks like fire is rolling. We're getting multiple calls of a person shot. They said there's people gathering around the corner of Belmont in California. Fire is rolling. They're actually giving an address of 2808 Belmont for a person shot. Alright, any units responding over to this shots fired person shot, person with a gun now. 2800 West Belmont, male black, 5'8", green hoodie, black pistol in hand, headed towards the parking lot near the vacant bank on the eastbound side of the building. Again, it's a male black, 5'8", green hoodie, black pistol with a gun headed towards the bank parking lot.
1710, show me heading over there from the station.
10-4.
You just be able to advise 14th District. It's right on the border there in case there's a crowd.
10-4, yeah, they're aware. We've been communicating with their dispatchers. I believe they may have cars around.
But,
24.
24.
I'm seen in front of Michelle's ballroom. I don't see anything. It's on California, just north of Belmont.
On Cali, just north of Belmont, 10-4. 621.
23.
Alright, stand by. I got a unit running.
Seventeen 23.
723.
You got a male shot in the face.
Nail shot in the face, 10-4. What's a good address?
Let's use 3205 for now. 3205 North California.
3205 North Cali, 10-4.
724.
24.
Flag to the offender, male black with a green hoodie, fled in an unknown direction, probably in a vehicle.
A black and a green hoodie fled in unknown direction from Belmont and Cali.
1023, we're going to need to take two.
Alright, anybody got some tape over here for this person shot?
760, I've got it.
10-4.
do me a favor. Have all traffic southbound on California shut down before Melrose. Do we have somebody that's going with the ambulance to Masonic?
1733.
3.
Head over. 5.
10-4, we're on the way.
Somebody go to Masonic, please. They're on the way there. It looks like it's DOA if you haven't heard, and they have some families going. You might want to advise them that they're very upset coming in.
10-4, 33, head to Masonic. We're going to notify zone.
On the way. Dude. Silence at the victim.
That was 23 and 22 left.